Hi friends, how you doing? Hope you are doing well. Today, I will tell you how I take measurements of the drawing, according to the page. As you can see in the above reference image, I divided the image into grid. According to the reference image, I divided sheet into 3 rows and 3 columns each. I also take midpoint whole paper, where I want to draw grapes. Starting from the center of the grid, I am drawing small circles overlapping each other, like in the reference image. I drawing the circle touching to the lines of the grid. Don't worry if they are not very much accurate in shape. By grid method, it is easy to make drawing in good size. If it is way more difficult for beginners to divide the whole image into 3/3 rows and columns, then you can also divide the reference image into more rows and columns according to your need. I divided the paper into 3 equal size of rows and 3 equal size of columns. As you can see in the image, there are 3 grapes are in a line. I draw them in same order. Now making the grapes in the bottom. Grapes are the main part of the image. Drawing leaves. After making full image with pencil, rub it roughly so that you can see the image you are drawing, and also your colors won't get blackish. For colors, I am using Brustro pencil colors wax-based. For purple color grapes using shade Morph. And for reddish color grapes using vermilion and raspberry shades in Brustro color pencils. If you don't understand the colors according to their names, or you don't have similar shades, swatch some purple and dark pink colors you have. Match the shades with the reference image. One by one in grapes, I am using these 3 shades, the whitish layer on the grapes in the reference image. I am coloring with light pressure on the pencil, and where you see the dark color in the grapes, I am building the color with deep pressure. The grapes in the shadow area in the reference image are very dark in color. I achieve this dark color by layering it with charcoal shade in black color in Brustro pencil color. Building shadowed area with black and charcoal shade. This video is unusually longer than my other videos. One of you, a friend, requested for the detail video on how I draw size of image on paper. If you are a new viewer on my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon so that you get latest updates. Stay with me till the end. It took me more than 4 hours to complete it. Please give this video a thumbs up for my hard work. Most difficult part to build the colors in each grapes, step by step.